What's going on, guys? Dirt Malone here with GCode Nutrition, and today I am very happy to talk about, that's right, the VICETriChamber. The first of its kind, the revolutionary, patent pending, beautiful, it's sexy. So if you guys know, previously we used to sell Vice like this. 3 flavors, 3 different tubs, shrink wrapped together, and yeah, we're done with that. So we have the OG TriChamber, which is the original 3 flavors: Grind and Grape, Cherry Swola, and Legend Lime. And let's not forget, I wasn't a huge fan of the original Legend Lime. Everyone's taste buds are different, but I had a dislike in it. So now we reformulated the original flavors, all 3 of them, so now they taste amazing. They're really good. The Swola tastes the most similar to the original, but the grape I think tastes a lot better. It tastes like to me it's like a Jolly Rancher. It's like a grape Jolly Rancher, or like a Big League Chew, or like a Bubblicious. It's really good. And the lime now, it tastes way better than the original. And in fact, lime is actually one of my favorite flavors. So the original OG flavors of Vice in 1 container. Also, we have the new era, is what we're calling it. This is our 3 new flavors that we just introduced a month ago maybe. What we have is Pina Colada Crush, Bangin' Black Cherry, and that's right, Lemon Italian Vice. All these flavors are absolutely banging. So let me give you the tour on the outside of these containers. So on the top of the lid, you have the GCode logo embossed, coming out right at you in our beautiful orange, our GCode orange. Look how beautiful that is, look. And on the rim, we have the GCode logo as well, embossed, protruding out on the ribbed lid. One on this side, one on this side. On the bottom, we have our mantra, live by the code, debossed in white right on the bottom. And what else is under there? What's this orange strip? The expiration date. That's right, that's very important.
Yo. When does it expire?
This particular container expires, I can't, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, March, April, May, June, July. September of 2021. That gives you 3 years. If you don't go through this in 3 years, then I don't know what the you're doing. So with that being said, let me take you on a journey inside of the container. The inside of it. So this guy comes shrink wrapped with an entire sleeve going around the entire thing. So you open this up, you get a nice little dusting coming right at you, and there it is. You have your 3 desiccant packs in there, which keep all the moisture out, and your scooper, and there it is. Now a lot of people ask, why are they all very similar in color? That's because we don't put any artificial coloring in Vice pre-workout. We put everything you need, nothing you don't need in there. A good way to figure out which flavor is which is you can take the desiccant packs out and you can, mark them. You could put a C for cherry, an L for lime, a G for grape. Like these ones. Or like these ones. Or I like the mystery aspect of it, where you open it up and you don't know which flavor is which, or you just do a little dipping like that. Kind of like those fun dip sticks. Oh my god.
Here, have some fun dip! Yeah!
That's lime. Or you do this one. That's grape. Grape's usually a little darker. And bang. That's cherry. So we have these 2 beautiful TriChambers. 6 flavors total. 90 servings total. So you can literally buy both of these and be good for 3 months. If you're like me, 1.5. I do 2 scoops usually, scoop and a half depending on what time it is. But I mean, just think about having this, just holding this, just putting this in the gym bag, just fighting flavor fatigue. Like, are you tired of getting a 30 serving of the same freaking watermelon or grape flavor? Or a lot of companies come out with these crazy ass, like,
Satan's blood or
unicorn milk.
you don't even know what it is. And that's why we're really happy to announce this beautiful TriChamber for you guys. So check it out on the website, GCodeNutrition.com. There's promo codes floating around. I'm sure you got apps to find promo codes. Loyalty 10. That's a promo code right there, 10% off. But yeah, man, I mean, get your hands on this, try it. I guarantee you'll love the taste of it. It tastes amazing. The flavors are all brand new. We've been methodically curating these flavors over time, so you'll like them and we like them. I mean, we live this shit. We train every day. We're not big bodybuilders or strong power lifters. We're just regular dudes, guys and girls who like to train, who like to hit the weights, like to get the stresses of normal day life out and take it out on the fucking iron. You know, just stuff like that. So it's cool to have a pre-workout with you that tastes amazing too, and will put you right where you want to be without feeling all cracked out after you train. That's the whole goal. I mean, do you want to take some crazy pre-workout that 4 grams of beta alanine so you're itching your face off the whole time? I don't think so. I'm here to train. I'm not here to feel cracked out.
Stay in your seat.
Where are we? So there you have it, folks. The VICETriChamber. 3 flavors, 1 container, 2 different variations. Make sure you guys go right up here. GCodeNutrition.com. We always have deals going on. We're a very giving company. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you have more of a sense of what this TriChamber is. And we'll see you in the gym on the grind. Dirt Malone signing out. Clean your ears. Q-tip 'em. Peace.